want to change the name of this room, so you can go on edit and change the name of the room like this. To make all the needed changes, just hit the save button. Now it's fully saved. Or you want to delete it and add a new one, but it says you cannot delete this room type because it is already connected to a product. So what you have to do before, you have to go to the channels, the booking engine, you go to mapping, and then you need to demap it first. Because if you try to delete the rate plan, it says this product cannot be deleted because it's mapped to a channel. So first we need to demap the channels. That's a security measure. We go here to Google Meta Search. Again, we demap the channel. And now when we go to the product rate plans, we can delete this one. Now the room has no linked rate plans. And now, voila, we can delete this room as well. And it works as simple as this. So this is how you can delete the rooms. Here you can delete directly out of the box because there is no other rate plan connected. But if you connect the rate plan, let's add just one to this room, Apex Deluxe. We save it. We go to the room types, and it does not allow us to delete because it already has a rate plan mapped. So to be able to delete the room, we need to delete the rate plan again, and it will allow us to delete the rooms as well. If the channels are connected, we need first to disconnect from the channels this rate plan to be able to delete the rate plan. So we go inside mapping again, and then we do the needed steps. Thank you very much.